Hi viewers, today we are going to know the detailed procedure for observing the Ekadashi fast. The Ekadashi fast is traditionally observed on 3 days: Dasami, Ekadashi and Dwadashi. Eat a simple sattvic meal before the sunset on the Dasami day. It is best to avoid eating any food after the sunset on the Dasami. Now the main fasting day is Ekadashi. It is of many types. Some people do complete fast, means nirjala, no food or water for entire 24 hours. This is the strictest form and should be only done if you are healthy and experienced. And the second one is partial fast, fasting from grains and pulses, but consuming certain allowed foods like fruits, milk, nuts, water. Strictly avoiding foods on Ekadashi: onion and garlic, regular salt, and tamasic foods like meats, fish, egg, alcohol are strictly prohibited. You should focus on the worship of Lord Vishnu. You should chant the japa and avoid sleeping during the day, and avoid unnecessary talkings and engaging in worldly entertainment. How to break the fast? The fast must be broken during the specific Parana time on Dwadashi day. First, take a sip of water or tulsi water. Many traditions suggest eating a leaf of tulsi and a small amount of amla before the full meal on the Dwadashi day. It is highly virtuous to offer food, clothing or charity to the poor